Hello and welcome to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your fuel evaporator valve on this Vauxhall Mokka. So as you can see, this is a fuel evaporator valve on this Vauxhall Mokka that I'm actually replacing today. So all you need to do is push this clip in, pull that plug off, and on this side squash these two bits together and pull upwards like so. Now we're going to need to pull this clip up. As you can see, there's a clip here. We're going to need to pull that up like so. Then push this one down. Pull off. Now this one should just slide off here. Just like that. Now we'll get our new one. First thing we're going to do is make sure we slide it on there. Like so, and plug that in. As you can see right here. Make sure it clips in properly. Like that. Now, what we do is gonna plug this plug in, like so, and then just plug this one in, like that, push that back down, and that's it basically. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.